Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account details are correct and that you can receive verification codes. This prevents lockout. Once done, open the app and go to Settings or Security. This is where password changes live. Make sure the app is updated. Outdated versions may hide options or fail. If you use a password manager, unlock it now so you can paste a complex password. You're ready for the first input step. Don't skip verification prompts that appear. You locate the Change Password screen and enter your current password to prove identity. This prevents unauthorized changes. Next, type a new password. Aim for at least 12 characters with symbols, numbers, and mixed case because complexity deters brute force. If copying from a manager, paste into both new and confirm fields to avoid typos. Once both fields match, tap Save or Update. Make sure to note any automatic signouts. Some apps log you out of other devices after a change. You finish by enabling two-factor authentication. This adds a second layer using codes or an authenticator app. After saving, immediately update the password entry in your password manager and any sync devices so you don't get locked out. Consistency matters. Once updated, test signing in on a secondary device to confirm changes propagated. If something goes wrong, use the app's recovery flow or the verification email/phone you confirmed earlier. That path restores access without account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.